Welcome to Bold Story Press's Converting to a Professional Instagram Account video. Converting to a professional Instagram account gives you access to extra tools that provide more information on your Instagram audience. You can also schedule content to be posted in the future with a professional account. To convert to a professional account, click the profile button on the bottom right of your screen. Then the three lines on the top right. Scroll to the bottom and find Account Types and Tools. Click Switch to Professional Account. Instagram will show you an overview of the benefits of switching to a professional account. Next, indicate a category. This will likely be writer or author for you, unless you feel a different category describes you better. Then click Switch to Professional Account. Instagram will ask you what type of professional you are. This will likely be creator. You can connect accounts through the Login Center now or later. Our Linking Instagram to Facebook video goes into more detail if you want to learn more. For now, I will click Not Now. Now you have the option to set up your professional account. You can move through the steps to finish your account now, or click the X on the top right to return to your account dashboard. You should see a new section labeled Professional Dashboard. If you click that, you will see information and gain access to tools a standard Instagram account does not have. I will now switch to Bold Story Press's Instagram account to show you what your insights will look like once you begin posting on your account. Let's take a look at views. If you click in, you can see the proportion of account viewers who follow you and the proportion of viewers who don't. If you scroll down, you can see the view breakdown of different types of posts. You can also see the city and country locations of viewers. Below, there are several other tools you can use to optimize your account. You can also view insights of individual posts. If you click the top left back arrow, click on a post, and then click View Insights, you can see data about a specific post, such as the number of views, top sources of views, and accounts reached. This information helps you see which posts are your strongest and helps you learn more about the audience you are reaching.